Good morning, everybody. We're getting an early start this morning. It's around 5:30 in the morning. We're getting the girls ready to head out. Heading up to Harrisonburg today, Harrisonburg, Virginia. Going to go to Switzer Lake, meet some people there. Then do a trail ride with some crew members from the Jeep Club up the flagpole. Hope to spend some good quality time with my kids today and get some good footage for the YouTube channel. So let me get these girls in this Jeep. We've arrived at our first destination for the day. We're at the Switzer Lake. Met up with some crew from the Jeep Club. We're gonna do a trail ride this morning. The girls are with me. They're in the Jeep. A little cold out here, so they decided to set in the Jeep. What a beautiful lake. Looking forward to today. It's gonna be a great day. You see some snow still on the mountain over there. It's gonna be a really nice day today. We're down here at Switzer Lake, getting ready for a trail ride.
Yeah,
Daddy. Yep. You want Aaron down? We air down to about 20. It's a really quick and easy way to air down your tires. It's a Currie Tire Deflator. There you go. Sylvia. Say hi to everybody.
Well, I'm behind the white truck now. Say what?
Hi, everybody. So we're with a group of
I don't know.
Jeeps.
They're not with us, I don't think.
Turn that down a little bit. That's the CB. We're with the Going Coastal Jeep Club, which great group of people to hang out with and everything else. I'm the captain of the crew, so I might be a little bit biased. What do you think, Sylvia? Am I? Okay. Well, we're getting ready to roll again here. We just stopped real quick. We got one truck that's in between. We're going to try to get around through us, but it's beautiful up here, the snow and everything else. We're having a good time, so we're gonna keep on pushing. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
As you can see, the trail is covered with snow. Makes it a whole lot more fun. Beautiful view. Really beautiful up here. We're having a good time. Whole lot more fun with the snow. Here's a good view here of all the Jeeps we got with us today. 15 Jeeps in the crew today on the trail ride. Beautiful up here today. Love driving in this snow. It's cold, but loving every minute of it. Can't wait to get up here to the top of the mountain. See if we can get some pictures up there. Are y'all enjoying yourselves back there?
Yeah.
Good. Well, we made it to the top of Flagpole. Beautiful view up here. Got a little drone footage I'll add into this video. You see the crew that's up here. We actually came up this morning and there was a group that was camping out up here. I know that was cold last night, but I'm sure they enjoyed it. Quite a few people up here. We got like 15 Jeeps in our crew today, so pretty good turnout. So here we are, top of the mountain, up at Flagpole Knob. Snow on the ground, having a good time. Kids playing in the snow. Got more kids over there playing in the snow. Everybody's having a good time up here. We're really enjoying ourselves today. It's so great to get outside and get out in the outdoors and check out things and go for a trail ride today. It was amazing. Of course, we're only halfway there. We got to go back down. So we're looking forward to it and having a good time. One more stop before we finish heading down the hill. Everybody getting out and stretching their legs a little bit.
Yeah, what's up?
Y'all enjoying yourselves?
Yeah.
You having fun, Shayla? Mm-hmm. Well, it's the end of the day. We've made it up the flagpole, back down. My two co-pilots are passed out. It's been a good day. It's been a long day, but it's been a good day. Really enjoyed it. You know, it won't be long before we'll be hitting the trail or some other adventure again. This has been a great day to spend the day with my two girls. Too bad my wife couldn't be here today. She had to work, but yeah, that's the way life rolls sometimes. So till next time, enjoy the adventure.